we just sang a song, Bansi, that means let's continue. Let's continue the tradition, let's continue carrying the culture, carrying the strength of our ancestors, and paying it forward for the next generation. What is tambour actually? So tambour is actually our traditional music genre.
De convido t'ingrito ancestro agruia de convido na Zuiderland thuis aan het processar de convido na Zuiderland
You guys remember we did the Dawakake, Dawakake. That's a battle.
Young Steve Jobs, live like the
whole thing. So it's like
when you play it, don't play it.
The most important movement of the tambour dance is actually your feet. And it's this.
Okay, this is the open part of the tambour. Good to see everybody again. When you talk about fusion, you need to be here too. So you can.
Dames en heren, ik wil jullie echt bedanken voor jullie